Watch carefully. A tire-equipped excavator arrived at a wooded area and immediately began felling trees. This colossal machine is incredibly efficient, able to clear an entire forest in no time. After cutting down the large trees, the crew sorted the wood-thick logs were neatly stacked in one area. Smaller pieces were set aside, and discarded branches were tossed near the excavator's tracks. The seasoned operator with years of experience handled his impressive machine with precision. Its undercarriage tires were professionally modified. A pair of tires were securely bound together and fitted with multiple anti-slip chains, greatly enhancing stability on rugged terrain. The hardy brushwood grown in this forest is extremely versatile once processed. It can be turned into a variety of products that yield considerable profits for local farmers, which explains why the logging operation is carried out on such a grand scale.